Don't cook them this way. So here we follow the directions. The sausage, the color is uneven. It looks a little appealing. Let's try a bite. It tastes pretty good. But just wait. The potato patty. It's not really crispy. It appears to be a little soggy. It says to bake it for 14 minutes. Turning it after 10. It's not crispy. I'm not impressed. Let's see if it's hot. Oh, not crispy. Let's not follow the directions.
Damn it! What am I doing?
Let's be clear. These are not health foods. Don't get on my case about the corn oil. You see, the corn oil toasted it all the way around, not just in spots. Let's try a piece. Delicious! Potato patty, no comparison. Crispy. Oh, so much better. Hear the crunch? That's delicious. It looks better. It tastes better. Thank you for joining me this Tuesday morning. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.